Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off always-on display notifications on your Google Pixel 10 or any other latest Pixel device running Android 17. By default, whenever you receive a new notification, your Pixel device wakes up the screen to show it on the always-on display. If you want to disable that feature, here's how you can do it. First, open Settings on your device. Then tap on Display and Touch. Now scroll down and select Always on Display. Here you can turn off the option that shows the time and notifications when the screen is off. You can also customize additional lock screen settings. Go back and open Lock Screen Settings. Scroll all the way down, and here you'll find the option called Wake Screen for Notifications. Simply turn this toggle off, and your phone will no longer wake up the screen whenever you receive a new notification. So this is a very useful setting if you want to disable wake-up notifications on your Google Pixel device while still keeping quick access features enabled. That's it.